Is there a budget option to the Elgato Cam Link? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Jordan from Johnny's Box. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm guessing that you're looking to upgrade your standard webcam, whether it be like a laptop or a Logitech C920 or something like that, just because you want more clarity in your webcam. So you're looking to get an SLR or an action cam of some sort hooked up to your computer to use that. Now, that's a great idea, and for that to work, you need an HDMI input on your computer. Sadly, they don't come standard with that because most people don't need that. So you'll have to get something to convert that signal. Previously, about the only options were the Elgato Cam Link, the Blackmagic Design ATEM Mini, which I'm running. But the problem with those products is that the cost of entry is a little bit high, because not only are you having to buy a better camera, you also have to buy an expensive HDMI converter. The ATEM Mini sits at about $300. It does have 4 inputs, so if you want to run like crazy multicam setups, it's great, and there's not a lot of alternatives to that. But the Cam Link itself by Elgato, right now it's sitting on Amazon at about $200, where the normal MSRP on it, if you can get it, is $125, or ballpark around there. This WeLink HDMI video converter capture, is $22.99 on Amazon. Now, I tested this against my $300 Blackmagic ATEM Mini, and when it came to picture quality and latency, I could not tell the difference. $23 product holding up with my $300 product. Like, it's insane to me. The only thing that the ATEM has over the WeLink is really, it's got a bunch of other options. And like I said, it's got up to 4 camera inputs. So you have that expandability. But I've had my ATEM for probably 6-7 months now. And if I would have known at the time that I could get something that does 1 camera for $23, I definitely would have done that, because here I am 7 months later. I still only have 1 camera hooked into it. So, you know, if I would have had this product at the time, I would have went this. This thing is amazing. Even the latency on this, it held up with my Elgato HD60 Pro capture card, which is an internal capture card that plugs directly into my motherboard. The latency was unnoticeable. I could wave my hand in perfect sync, and I saw it happen right there on my feed, and it was amazing. So if you are in the market for something like this, there's a ton of companies on Amazon who make this product. I got the WeLink one. There's going to be a link down in the description, so if you want to get the one that we got then and tested, you know, you can do that. Now, there was one issue we ran into with it, which I don't even know if it's an issue, honestly, because to fix it, all you had to do was unplug it, plug it back in once. You never had to do it, oh, well, it didn't work that time. Okay, it did this time. But it pretty much, it ran a weird issue where the refresh would like not sync the top and bottom of the screen. So there'd be like a weird line. If I did my arm like this, it would kind of like desync, and it looked like my arm was broken and weird things like that. But like I said, it happened twice with all the testing, and it never just started happening. Once I got it working, like if I plugged it in and it worked, it just worked. The only time I would have it is if I unplugged it and plugged it back into a different system or something like that, and then it would happen, and I would just go, okay, well, that's happening. Unplug it, plug it back in. It'd be fine. And then it would be fine until I unplugged it. And there have been several times where I plugged it in and it worked fine the first time. So if you were, you know, switching systems constantly or whatever, it might be a little, you know, pain in the butt, whatever. But for $23, I think we could all live with just unplugging it and plugging it back in a couple times. So, all right, that pretty much does it. If you guys haven't already, be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below if you like the video. We'd appreciate your feedback. And if you haven't already, be sure to go to twitch.tv/Johnny'sBox and check us out on there. All right. Thanks. See you next time.